Can I try to take photos?
Yeah,
Yes, take photos.
Yes.
Absolutely take photos. I'll tell you when we're gonna. It's going almost up to 99.
Yeah.
Tornado emergency. Tornado emergency.
Onko tää Volga spinning like that?
Yes. Yeah, it's right in front of us. There's a huge wedge.
Is there a way to go a little north and then go west? Because it's above here.
You just keep going. Yeah, there's all sorts of gridded roads. This is western if we need to go this way.
This road is really closed up here. See it?
Yeah, all right. Go up here.
It's to our north, it's closed.
Go
go.
through here. That's actually closed. In fact, I'd like to sit right here and watch it.
Just so we got a way out.
Significant damage in Newcastle.
You want to pull? I can.
No!
No.
Get up to this next mile.
We gotta get.
Let's get up to 4th Street.
East fast. Yeah.
Let's get up to 4th Street. Here.
Get back up. It's going right through here.
Get out of our way, people!
A bunch of people turning left here.
I know, the road's closed.
Should we go to the end of the road close and watch it come by? It's going to come by right here.
We need an escape route.
Probably come back this way. It's better than being in the frickin' residential area, ain't it? We got a view of this thing.
Yeah, go. Just go. Just keep going. Keep going. We're going by more liquor and more. Going down 4th Street. Right here and more. Holy cow, look at that tornado. That is amazing.
You can see the...
Yes, yeah, it is. There you can see it.
It's coming right over this, dude. It's coming right over it.
Oh my gosh, listen to that thing.
Oh, this is you.
We can hear it.
Guys, hit the roll.
Look at this. The front end. Look at the wall cloud spin. Look at the wall cloud spin right there. That's still coming right at us, and it's not far away. Dude, if we can get a little south.
We gotta go.
Yeah, if we can get a little south.
We gotta go. We got debris right here.
Yeah.
We're gonna get hit with debris. Here it comes right now. Just start landing.
Yeah.
Is this better than lightning?
Yeah, this is good.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Ja, het had het echt voor doos.
I'm sorry. Wow. Should see some cars flying here in a minute. Idiots.
Go north, be ready to go north.
Let me know because I got my door open.
Go to the house. Go to the house. This is not what I wanted to see. I really didn't want to see this. I didn't really want to see this. Comes the rain curtain here. You're gonna have to put your window up. You're just gonna get wet. It's not gonna last long, the rain curtain. But we got debris coming down too behind us, so.
All right.
Wow, let's let her get right in front of us. This is. Oh, it's that big. I'm sorry, but that's a lot to ask when something like this is going on. Put your mute on.
Go, 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 go. Let's get in behind this.
You gotta go forward?
Yes, go.
Hit by debris like, hey, I'm outside the car, man.
Well, get in! Wow, look at it right here. We got.
Hey.
Holy cow. This is not good. Can we get south?
No, let's stay right here. Look at it's like we're right here. Yeah, we can flip around and go 1 mile south and get east. Yeah, we need to get.
Whoa! Here comes
flip around, flip around.
We're on the outer band.
Yeah, here comes the debris. We'll get out of here. Hold on.
I can't get my window up.
Look at the updraft on that.
No, it ain't cycling. Yeah, it's still.
It's just getting bigger again.
It's getting bigger again. Go, go, go. There's a lake right here?
Lake Stanley Draper.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Is there a satellite or what's going on?
It's
It's roping. Roping. Stop then. Stop right here.
It's roping. All right, what do we got up behind us? Oh,
There's another wall card up here, though.
Yeah. It's going to reform.
Okay, it's gone.
Get pictures, Yari.
No.
Yeah, hurry. This is where you want to get.
Oh, look at that thing rope off.
Just
that is cool.
Click a whole bunch,
Yeah.
Yari.
Yeah. Just click.
It's beautiful.
Oh.
Hey, Bill.
Yep,
I gotta run to the back and grab another battery for this camera.
that's fine. But it's regenerating up here, so
I know.
we got time.
It's